the launch of AUDIPREP. So this is an innovative and unique product which we are going to offer to our students. This is actually an audiobook which will podcast all our essence, all our contents of study packages and different type of things to our student. Modulation of sound and excellent pronunciation and all those things, so that student can feel this audio that just like they are listening live to any of our faculties. Interactive nitty-gritty, so this is completely based on NEET preparation, keeping focus what type of question has been asked in our NEET examinations. Powerful mnemonics, all of you know, mnemonics has a great value as far as learning is concerned. So we have elaborated explanation of diagrams, tables and flowcharts, especially as biology and chemistry. A lot of diagrams has been asked, a lot of diagram has been given to students, and they are very conceptual. So AUDIPREP will be useful for learning all those diagrams, tables and flowcharts. Quick quizzes, so we have incorporated quick quizzes based on this podcast. So after each and every topic which has been explained during the podcast, we have incorporated some of quizzes. इसका सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स अगर मैं बताऊं, जो अभी एक्सप्लेन किया वो तो था ही कि ये जितना भी हमारा एसेंस है, जो ऑफलाइन एसेंस है, उसको हमने पॉडकास्ट के फॉर्म में ऑडियो डिलीवरी करने की कोशिश की है. इसके अलावा जिसका एक्सेस है, मतलब जो बच्चा इसको कभी भी किसी भी समय घर पर रहकर कहीं पर भी इसको एक्सेस कर सकता है, रिपीट कर सकता है कंसेप्ट को, टेस्ट दे सकता है, फॉर्मूला रिवाइज कर सकता है, चैप्टर रिवाइज कर सकता है. सो अब उसके हाथ में मैं बोलूँगा कि थ्रू दिस फीचर नाउ आकाश इज एट देयर होम ऑल्सो. वो घर पर रहकर भी आकाश के सारे सर्विसेज का बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं.
Indian branch and the other one is located at Malgaon branch, and also at the same time we are having some tie-ups at 3 locations. One is at St. Brito's, Mapsa, and GVM Ponda, and we are running one extension center at Wasp also. We are also looking forward to have more centers. We are planning to have more centers at further faraway locations.